you please. ID reader, Tita Jackie Monsay.
Ako ba nang maglaay? Gilaay. Gilaay man.
Arms forward. Break. Arms down. We have here with us the number of girls aged 6 to 9. Let us ask them why they are here. Girls, why are you here and what do you wish to become? Do you come in your own free will? Have you satisfied the requirements expected of a Star Girl Scout? Are you ready to fulfill the Star Girl Scout promise and obey the Star Girl Scout law? Then, having shown your willingness and sincerity in wanting to become a Star Girl Scout, then having shown wanting to become the members of the Star Girl Scout troop number 1375, 1288, 1046, and troop number 7676. Before we do, let us hear you say the Star Girl Scout promise and law in unison. Now we are ready to pin the Star Girl Scout pin and the World pin on your colors. Let me request the parents to pin the World pin and the Girl Scout pin, and when pinning the pins, please put